Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your speaker Anker Soundcore 3. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a physical button on your phone. So the plus button is to increase the volume and minus button is to lower the volume. The second one is to use a physical buttons on your speaker, and again plus button is to volume up and minus button is volume down. And the last one option is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we have a slider, so just move to the right to increase the volume and move to the left to lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!